forth. Yeah, so that was a cool play for anyone watching back on the stream. I didn't take it because honestly I wasn't prepared. I saw this candle playing out, but I was getting a cup of coffee and forgot to write out this nice little level here. Okay, it's a little supply zone. And that makes this candle more significant, but it's all good. Early in the day, lots of trades we can take, and we'll keep hunting. Here are the trades I considered taking, but didn't. As I explained, I was a little late to the game on this one. Didn't have my supply zone set. It won. Okay, then nothing. Then I saw this set of tweezers. But I don't like when the low breaks the other low. But this could be in my head. I gotta back test this. And these signals are all super messy. So I passed up on it. It won. Then I saw this rejection off this level. And like the top wick on a resistance. You know what? Those actually haven't won. Let's see if this one's won. Maybe it hasn't won yet. Yeah, it has. This one, maybe not. No, not yet. Anyways, good fun. Just not quite what I want. Welcome on, viewer one. Still waiting for our signal. What's going on, viewer one? Who do we got? What's your story? How long you been trading? What do you trade? Man, messy morning, conflicting. Man, these are the mornings where the 1 minute is flowing so much better, but it's just not my time frame. I've had these mornings though where it's jumping around like this, and then I get a good signal later, but I already shot my bullet. I take one trade a day. But not gonna lie, the 1 minute's flowing way better. Nice movements. Oh man, went to bed too late last night. Okay, well, there's no signal coming on this 5-minute. We would need another one that looks like that. So I'm gonna do a little bit of back testing. Just a little bit. The question is, where can I put this? Where can I put this so I can still see the live chart? I'm gonna put it off screen. Sorry, viewer one. I'm gonna do a little back testing. I'll check back in a couple minutes here. I guess I should make sure I can see comments in case they come through too. Okay, I'm dialed in. Okay, 18th. Okay, so that was your signal. Horrible looking candle though. Interesting, if you didn't wait for the dot, you could have got that one. Yeah, but that's not what we're testing. So if you were, oh no. Oh, no way. Wow, there's no way to tell if that was a loss or not. But what I'm gonna do, I like to record it because, like, we're not sure. Could have been a loss, could have not been a loss. Most likely it was a win. Most likely it was going down, it pushed down, and then it closed up. That's my guess, but it would be weird if it went, you entered, it went up, down, and then closed there. But it could have, there's no way to tell. Anyway, so that we skipped that one. Oh, this is a nice looking one. Because I like, oh, it presents the dot too late. Too bad. I think on my gut, yeah, I'd probably take my set of tweezers before the dot appears. However, for strictly backtesting purposes, you gotta record it. Otherwise, you're just kidding yourself. Okay, and you get another one there. Yeah, so this is good testing to remind me that technical analysis trumps, but this tool, man, it's got something there, no question. So without even looking, let's see what happens. Look at this bottom. Is that a freaking joke? That's not a delayed print. That will print in live time. When that candle closed, it said, I think this is the bottom. Boom. Holy crap. Okay, let's see what signal you would have got here. That's pre-market. We're not looking at pre-market. Oh, I'm taking note of it, but yeah, so that would have lost. So that's your first signal then. Yeah, look at that. Wow. And that'll go under engulf. Okay, we need some. Huh. You could be profitable if you just traded off this. This thing's insane. You just need some tweaking. Don't take conflicted signals. If it's red, green, don't take. If you get a short that appears, but you just had the long signal right before, don't take it. Look at this 1 minute though, man. It's flowing better. Nice little snake. That's all good. Okay, where are we? Yeah, so 26th kick butt. Okay. Today we're right in the middle. And then you know what? Later in the day, it seems not to be as good. Like it's in high momentum times, but that's still one. That was a nice 1-to-1. And then the other thing you'll notice is on days where it's super aggressive, but you still have to take the signal. It can fake you out there. Wonder if there's... Yeah, that's all good. Did you get the break even if you went break even? Did you? I don't think so. No. Oh, no. What time is it? We got 15 minutes. Let's see if we can get a signal. Oh, I forgot to record this one. That's a loss. That is... Did it print after that one? It didn't. It printed after that. Look, if I'm live, I am not taking the signal. I just wouldn't, like... I would take it if it printed there. Not if it printed there. Look, that'd be horrible. Yeah, so anyways, we wouldn't do that. You just have to know yourself. Like, if I recorded this data, it wouldn't be like real. Like, I would never take it on a green candle. Short. Yeah, these are in no man's land. Okay, how do I push this forward? Let's go 4 hour. And I'm gonna push this forward a bunch. Good stuff. And let's go back to... Wait, I just want to see what's going on in the 1 minute. Something's reacting there. I personally would love another push-up and reject off yesterday's 5-minute range with market ciphers in oversold. Give me a cross. Feel great about that. That would be awesome. Okay, what are we doing here? No, May 16th, we gotta get back to 26th. Oh, I went that far, eh? Okay, this is the one I said I wouldn't take. That's the 28th. Okay. Let's go. Oh yeah, this was the Messy Jesse one. So first time it gets oversold, where does it print? It prints after this candle. And holy crap. Very nice. It's not a... Thank you. That's just funny. My daughter just gave me a cabinet handle. Why? I don't know. That is funny. Okay. Okay. What's going on? Hold on. Sometimes backtesting will actually make me lose a signal. No, it's just the 1 minute that's like by the time the 5 is closed, it's giving it away any kind of move and it's back in. You can't just take a random red candle. It's no good. It's no good. But if you were a 1 minute trader today, that's nice. That it would make it look easy. If you did a YouTube video on just this, but that is not real. It's real today, but some days, if you just do this on a normal day, you'll get owned. In my opinion. Okay, let's go back to here. Yeah, I need a push, man. Just dead today. I don't trade NAS 100, but I just want to see how this tool reacts to it. Oh, snap. Look at that. Oh, but it's in the middle of the... Yeah, it needs to be oversold. Okay. Let's keep going here. Let's keep going. Okay. Dude, this is trading, man. A lot of patience. Try not to take crap. We might not get a signal today. I usually cut it off at 7:30. Okay. Nice shot, 1 minute traders. Okay, what do we call this one? It's a color change, but then whatever. Let's call it a color change. And that was on May 1st. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some momentum. All right, so green dot. No. Green candle. We don't take that. The question is, once you get it, are you tempted to take the next? Like, that could be hard to not take that. Yeah. I don't know what to. I can't record that. I mean. Because when the green dot presented, it's only red candles. I don't go long on a red candle. But then a green one presented later. It's like, what do you do? I could see myself taking that though. That's the problem. But it's technically not meeting criteria. I would just take it because I'm tempted. still nothing tradable, man. Okay, nothing on this day either. It's a no man's land. We're just checking on this signal. Oversold, overbought. How does it do? Print. Oh, that's an ugly looking candle, but I don't know what to do with that. You just gotta take it. I mean, it would have lost. Could you have taken the second one? No, that's not what I do. I don't take candles with massive top wicks. Okay. But I don't know what you'd call it. It's not really a tweezer. Whatever. This is rough data. Oh, look at that moving average play. Okay, nice fake out. Sometimes you show up for trading for no trades. Is what it is. I mean, what's presenting on the one? No, I won't do it because I committed not to. However, and I'm working on that. Do what you say. I mean, what's the business case here? That it's pulled back to the moving averages. It keeps rejecting these moving averages, but I mean, that just can't be it. Okay, you know what I'm doing? Taking this off of. Now I could be bending. My. I don't know. Here's my case. 57. I should have done that tighter. Shoot. I'll take it off. No. I'm gonna keep that one. Okay. Here's my case. And then I gotta shut this down because I don't watch the trade. 58. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna close this. We'll see, man. I'm taking this off of a moving average. Pullback. Okay. It's not a sexy signal. If it's a loss, I'll probably be slightly annoyed. But it keeps holding these levels right off the 20, and it's holding above the 5-minute range. I do like that part, but I am not confident. This is why I don't watch the trade. Okay, I'm going to shut her down. You can't watch the trade. Oh, I don't know what to do. Here's the thing, man. Like, okay, I'm waiting till it always feels confident and right. Is that more profitable than missing all these signals that I keep calling out, at least in my head, but it doesn't look quite right, so I don't take it. This is the way it's moving today, so we'll see if it gives me a win. And if you are new to my channel, I don't watch the trade. It is a crucial part of my profitability. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is fill out my tool. What the heck? Oh. What the what? Where did my back testing go? What the what? Dude, I literally lost my... Where'd it go? Dude, I'm dumbfounded. Hold on a minute. I lost my... What's happening right now? You guys seeing this? Whatever. Okay, that works. All right, here's what we're doing. I'm trying to get back into this habit. Oh, now that one showed up. Okay. This is all it is. You know why my process? I actually won yesterday. I had a winning trade. I made 1%, which will one day be $2,000 on a 200K account. Okay, I got distracted. It was a winning trade, but I don't get to count it. Like, I took it on the 1 minute, and that's not part of my process right now. I could allow it one day and then be able to make that a green day for process, but I firmly concluded the 1 minute overall messes me up. It has some good signals. Today, the 1 minute was king on US 30. It was doing great. But on most days, I find it gives me more false signals and more noise and jumping the gun. So if that's a true statement, then I need to can it and focus on the 5 minute. And days like today just kind of sucks. The 5 minute was garbage today. There was multiple trades you could have took and moved to break even, and they would have all mostly break even. But anyways, process was good. We'll find out. Here's what I'll do. I'll duplicate this. We'll find out what the P&L was, but I'm doing yellow because I don't know yet. And I could go like this. We don't know yet. I'm just setting it up, okay? But if I can, here's what I know for the two of you watching this and people watching in the future. If you stick to your process and you have any form of an edge, it could change your life forever, because with enough prop room capital, you can crush it, okay? When I stick to my process, I average around 60% win rate, which is 4% a month. If you take a trade every day, 1%, and that could be $8,000 a month on a 200K challenge, which would cost you $1,000. And that's my speech. It's time for me to sign off. Go back to the rest of life. Am I tempted to look at the result? Yes, I am. I would love to see if it was a winner or a loser. But I need to practice what I preach, and it's an important thing for me not to look at it